Hi everyone, Petal is Blessed here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys a revamp DIY that I'm gonna do. Alright, so let's get into the items that I'll be using. Okay, I have this wall painting that I had gotten from Walmart a while back, and now I changed my colors within my home so it doesn't really go anymore. So I'm going to be using this to revamp it to share with you. And I'll be using this um, metallic spray paint from Walmart, and I'll be using the square mirrors from Dollar Tree. And we have some Mod Podge here. Mod Podge, the clear one. I like the one that has the gloss. And we'll be using some sparkles and our crushed glass, you guys. Now, if you don't know how to do this, I'll leave a link to the video below to show you how to get your own crushed glass. And we'll be using the E6000 to glue down our mirrors. And we have our glue gun and our tools here. Alright everyone, let's get started! Alright everyone, I'm so sorry, but I thought I was filming, but I wasn't. And so I lost the footage of me placing down the mirrors. But this is how the um, canvas looks, because I spray painted it with a metallic spray paint. And then I just divide out my mirrors and I glued them down with the glue gun and the E6000, you guys. I'm so sorry I lost the footage. Okay, so now we're going to take the Mod Podge and we're going to place the crushed glass onto our canvas. So we're just adding the Mod Podge in between the open space and adding the crushed glass, you guys. Now remember, I'm used to using crushed glass. When you're doing this, please wear gloves, or you could even use something to lift up the glass and spread it down onto your canvas. That's fine. But like I told you, I do a lot of mosaic pieces, so I just handle the glass with care. But please, you use something to do it. All my life I've been waiting for somebody like you. And now I see that nobody like you. Nowadays my life's like a hurricane. Alright you guys, now that the crushed glass is dried with the Mod Podge, I'm gonna go over with more Mod Podge to seal it in. Yeah. Sometimes I use the clear glass coat that I get from Walmart, but I thought I would just show you guys how I do it with just using the Mod Podge. So you just put a generous amount over your work that you've already laid down and you let it dry. And once it dry, you go over again with another layer over the crushed glass, and that will seal it in and it will not move. It will not drop. You won't get any fall off. Remember, a generous amount. Go back over twice, let it dry, and then you're all set, you guys. Now this step is optional, but you know I like my bling, so I'm just adding a little extra glitter just to give it a little oof that I like. But it's optional, you guys don't have to do this step. And here's our finished look, you guys. OMG. I don't think the camera is doing it justice. I don't know if it looks nice on, oh god, but in person, it looks so nice. Oh my goodness. I just love it. Look at the crushed glass and the metallic silver spray paint. Oh wow. Do you guys remember what it looked like in the beginning? Just look at it now. It looks absolutely gorgeous. And I love it with the crushed glass and the dollar store mirrors. OMG. This looks like something out of Z Gallery. No joke. OMG, this is so nice. I love it. I absolutely love it. It looks very nice. Don't you guys think? I think I did a good job at revamping this. Yeah. Now let me show you where I place it in my home. Alright you guys, this is where I place it. Above my little IKEA stand that I have here. And oh, Do you see my fireplace? I just put the TV on that channel that has a fireplace. I think it looks very cozy and nice. I like that. Anyways, this is the wall art here. This is where I place it. All the money that came and changed it all up. But now ain't OMG, you guys, it looks so nice. It looks very nice up there. And with this wall art now, you guys, I did not use command strips because before, when I had this art up, before I revamped it, I had it hanging with command strips. But now that I added the mirror and the crushed glass, it's much heavier. So I used the straps that it came with on the back, the little hooks that it came with on the back, and I had to hang it up the regular way with nails and plugs in the wall so it wouldn't fall because it's a little too heavy, I believe, for the command strips now. But it looks very nice, you guys. I'm really surprised. I did not expect it to look this nice when I said I'm going to revamp it. But you see, take things within your home and you can add a little spray paint, fix them up, revamp them, and you have something really nice. Using items from the Dollar Tree, you guys, yep. And the crushed mirror is also from the Dollar Tree. I bought the Dollar Tree mirrors and crushed them up. Like I said, I'll leave a link below to that video to show anyone who haven't seen how to do it, the method I used to get it. But you know, diva on a budget. Alright everyone, I hope I've inspired you once again with another nice DIY for you guys to do for your home. And thank you for coming on and seeing the DIY that I did today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, so you can come back and see the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Bliss. Bye-bye, everyone. Choosing material things over you. Yeah. Come here, young girl, please, please. I'm a new, baby, don't worry, nobody's giving me a